Washington, D.C., July 17th, 2022. The U.S. Capitol. An update on the construction that's going on at the U.S. Capitol. This is the rotunda. The flags are flying. There is Senate. That's the Senate building on the left. The flag is not flying. That means that Senate is not in session. And then here on the right is the House of Representatives. Can you see it? The flag is not flying there either because it's not in session. And look at this construction. There's a lot of theories about this construction, but the U.S. Capitol Police Information Office has told me that this construction is to replace all of the limestone in the Rotunda building, and that this construction will go on for a year, about approximately 1 year, just to replace the limestone. So this is the stairwell to the House of Representatives. And we're gonna walk over here. This is the center. This is the rotunda. And look at that. That is a facial recognition camera. Can you believe that? That is a camera that detects your facial recognition. So here is the rotunda and the construction. Can you see that flagpole over there? That's on top of the House of Representatives. Of course, no one's there today. It's not in session, but the flags are flying high there, and at Senate, it's not in session. Whenever something's in session, they have the flag flying over it, so it's not in session. So I'm gonna walk over here to the steps of the Senate building so you get a better view. Let me just give you a 360-degree view because there's tons of tourists in Washington, D.C. There's the Washington Monument. That is the National Mall and the Washington Monument. Here's 360 degrees of the U.S. Capitol, June 17th, 2022, close to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You all wanted an update on the construction at the U.S. Capitol, so I'm showing it to you. This is the stairwell. This is the stairwell to the Senate building. There's construction in front of the U.S. Senate building and all of that construction in front of the rotunda. And allegedly, the U.S. Capitol Information Office told me that this is to replace all of the limestone in the rotunda and that this construction will last for almost 1 year. Can you see it? It's very interesting as I'm in front of American monuments in Washington, D.C., that there's a lot of people speaking foreign languages. I just think that's an interesting thing to note. But I will give you more footage of this. And of course, this is a facial recognition camera. I'm gonna give you more footage now, so prepare, I'm getting you more footage.